Hi students, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. I am Shankar Ganesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, Don Bosco College, Kottayam. I am delighted to present a lecture on the topic Network Software, which comes under the subject Computer Networks and Security. This lecture is meant for Semester 3 BCA course of Kerala University. In the previous lecture, we have discussed TCP/IP reference model. Now let's compare both the reference models that we have learned so far, that is OSI model and TCP/IP reference model. First, we can start with the similarities between OSI reference model and TCP/IP reference model. Both have layered architecture. OSI മോഡലും TCP/IP മോഡലും ഒരു ലെയർഡ് ആർക്കിടെക്ചറാണ് ഫോളോ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അതായത് ഒരു ലെയറിന് മുകളിൽ മറ്റൊന്ന് എന്ന ക്രമത്തിലാണ് അറേഞ്ച് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. സെക്കൻഡ് പോയിന്റ്, ലെയേഴ്സ് പ്രൊവൈഡ് സിമിലർ ഫങ്ഷനാലിറ്റീസ്. ഈ രണ്ട് മോഡലുകളുടെയും ലെയേഴ്സിനെല്ലാം ഏകദേശം ഒരേ കർത്തവ്യങ്ങളാണ് ഉള്ളത്. തേർഡ് പോയിന്റ്, ബോത്ത് ആർ പ്രോട്ടോകോൾ സ്റ്റാക്ക്. രണ്ട് മോഡലുകളും പ്രോട്ടോക്കോളിൻ്റെ കളക്ഷൻ അഥവാ ശേഖരങ്ങളാണ്. ഫോർത്ത് പോയിന്റ്, ബോത്ത് ആർ റെഫറൻസ് മോഡൽസ്. OSI മോഡലും TCP/IP മോഡലും റെഫറൻസ് മോഡലുകളാണ്. Now let's discuss the difference between OSI model and TCP/IP model. First point, OSI model is developed by ISO, whereas TCP/IP is developed by ARPANET. Second point, OSI model provides a clear distinction between interfaces, services and protocols, whereas TCP/IP doesn't have any clear distinguishing points between services, interfaces and protocols. Third point, OSI refers to open system interconnection, whereas TCP refers to transmission control protocol. Fourth point, OSI uses the network layer to define routing standards and protocols, whereas TCP/IP uses only the internet layer. Fifth point, OSI follows a vertical approach, whereas TCP/IP follows a horizontal approach. Sixth point, OSI layers have 7 layers, whereas TCP/IP has 4 layers. Seventh point, in the OSI model, the transport layer is only connection oriented, whereas a layer of the TCP/IP model is both connection oriented and connectionless. Eighth point, in the OSI model, the data link layer and physical are separate layers, whereas in TCP, physical and data link are both combined as a single host to network layer. Ninth point, session and presentation layers are a part of the OSI model, whereas there is no session and presentation layer in the TCP model. 10th point, OSI model is defined after the advent of the internet, whereas TCP/IP is defined before the advent of the internet. 11th point, the minimum size of the OSI header is 5 bytes, whereas the minimum header size is 20 bytes in TCP/IP. This is the diagrammatic comparison between OSI reference model and TCP/IP reference model. From this diagram, we can understand that the OSI reference model is a 7-layered architecture, that is, it contains 7 layers with its corresponding protocols and functionalities. Likewise, the TCP/IP reference model consists of 4 layers with its protocols and functionalities. In this lecture, we have discussed the similarities and differences between OSI reference model and TCP/IP reference model. Hope all of you have understood the lecture. Thank you.